In this video, we are going to make an apple cake. The ingredients you will need are cornstarch, gluten-free flour, sugar, milk, eggs, and vegetable oil. Separate the egg yolks and egg whites. Submerge the egg yolks with the milk and oil. Start beating the egg whites on low speed. When they start turning white, add in half of the sugar. Continue beating at high speed. When lines start appearing on the surface, add in half of the remaining sugar. At soft peaks, add in the remaining sugar and the cornstarch. Beat on medium speed to medium peaks. Mix the egg yolks, milk, and oil. Sift in the flour and mix. Mix some of the egg whites into the egg yolk. Mix that back into the remaining egg white. Pour it into a cake mold. My mold is 6 inches in diameter and 3 inches in height. Bake at 325 degrees for 25 minutes. After the cake completely cools, cut it into 4 slices of diameters 5 inches, 6 inches, 6 inches, and 5 inches with a hole in the center. Beat 1.5 cups of whipped cream to stiff peaks. Start assembling the cake. 5-inch cake slice, whipped cream, diced apple, whipped cream, six-inch cake slice, whipped cream, diced apple, whipped cream, six-inch cake slice, whipped cream, diced apple, whipped cream, 5-inch cake slice with hole. Cover the entire cake with whipped cream. Mix 3 tablespoons of whipped cream and half a teaspoon of cocoa powder. Pipe the stem of the apple using a medium-sized round tip. Mix 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar with 1 tablespoon of red rice flour. Sprinkle that onto the cake. Mix 3 tablespoons of whipped cream with half a teaspoon of green tea powder. Insert the stem and use the green whipped cream to pipe 2 leaves.